just be happy. Kau selalu di hati. Kamu sangat berarti, istimewa di hati. Selamanya rasa ini. Jika tua nanti kita telah hidup masing-masing, ingatlah hari ini. Kamu sangat berarti, istimewa di hati. Selamanya rasa ini. Jika tua nanti kita telah hidup masing-masing, ingatlah hari ini. Ingatlah
Wow, what a great performance! Absolutely. Their stage performance was great. I also like the song. Don't we all like the song? I like it. Yes, me too. It's amazing performance. Now we would like to announce the rules for today so our show can run well on schedule and be on time. While you are here today, please note that no one may enter or read the room when the show is begun. Cell phone must be turned off while they're at the room. Photography and videotaping are prohibited in the show. Highlight program. Do you know that the pages don't write the interesting facts while they go to the reading? Reading? What's so interesting about it? Well, in a text, it says that reading is important if you want to be successful. But why is it important? Don't you know why? It's obvious that it's very important. For example, at school, if we can't read, how can answer math, English, or science questions? And if we can't answer, how can get good scores? It's impossible. Yes, sir, Kayla. It also says that reading can make exercise for our brain. By reading regularly, it strengthens our brain function and improve our concentration. But Papa and Kayla, do you like reading? Of course, I like reading. Reading is one of the main sources of knowledge. Me too. Reading is fun. Besides, our school has some literacy programs such as Reading Time, Story Time, and Reading Challenge. That's right. That's why for Reading Challenge program this year, we challenge students and parents to read books. What? For parents as well? Yes. Actually, the program is not only a challenge for students to read more books, but it also a challenge for parents to read more. That's why today we would like to give awards for parents and students who have participated in Reading Challenge and performed as our appreciation. Is there anything to Kayla? I also have another information for both of you. Have you ever heard about international Olympiads? Our school has participated in some of them, since our friend has won some medals in the international event. Today, we will also announce the winner of International Olympiad. Now, let's call Miss Putri to announce the winner. Miss Putri, come on the stage, please.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Seorang guru bukanlah seseorang yang hanya menjelaskan materi pelajaran di kelas, tapi seorang guru adalah orang yang mau membagi ilmu dan pengalaman hidupnya kepada orang-orang di sekitarnya. Berkaitan dengan hal ini, SD Tokonya Arifati Bilingual School mengadakan program kelas inspirasi atau guest teacher. Dan beberapa dari orang tua murid SD Tokonya Arifati Bilingual School telah berpartisipasi dalam program ini. Dan kami sangat mengapresiasi hal ini. Untuk itu, kepada nama-nama yang dipanggil diharapkan untuk naik ke atas panggung.